Hello Year 5. Today we're going to do another modelled reading lesson, and we are learning to explain and analyse literal and implied information. Now remember, literal information is the information we can read right there in the text, and the implied information means we might need to add bits of information together to make an understanding, or also use some of our prior knowledge. Explain and analyse means that we can identify some facts and find different pieces of information and make an explanation from joining those together. Now we're going to read the same text as last time, the cane toad, but we're going to find some other facts and make some other explanations. The cane toad. The cane toad is the Darth Vader of the amphibian world, a native of Central and South America. That means that is where it came from. The lumpy toad was turned loose in Australia in the 1930s. Farmers hoped it would eat the beetles that were damaging sugarcane crops. The toad made itself at home, spreading steadily across the land. As the toad multiplied, though, conservationists started to worry. I'm going to put that fact in the graphic organiser, that toads multiplied. So I've put that in the identify section. A fact that I identified was that the toad population multiplied, which means to grow and grow. Let's continue reading. The toad secretes a goo that can be toxic when eaten. Now remember, toxic means poisonous. Some feared that the imported amphibian, which is referring to toads, great noun group, would kill off snakes, crocodiles, and other local predators. I'm going to put that in the graphic organiser. In the graphic organiser, in the find how things work, I put that they feared that the toads would kill snakes, crocs, and other predators. Let's continue reading. For years, the cane toad has been the poster child of invasive species. An invasive species is a plant or an animal that settles in a new region where it does harm to the environment, the economy, or human health. Conservationists regularly take up arms against plant and animal invaders by trapping, hunting, poisoning, or bulldozing them. I'm going to put that in the graphic organiser. So you can see in the explain section, and what did I find out, that the conservationists worked hard to stop the invasive species, which are the toads. So you can see how I've linked all of that information to explain why those facts made sense and why the conservationists were trying to get rid of toads. Let's take another look at our learning intention. So today we were learning to explain and analyse literal and implied information. And I think we did a great job. We were able to find different facts in our text and identify them. We were able to make some connections and explain how they all work together. Thanks, Year 5. See you next time.